Good morning and welcome, my dear students. In our previous class, we have learned about addition and estimation. Today, we are going to learn about subtraction and estimation. What is subtraction? We use subtraction to remove one quantity from the other. We always subtract a smaller number from a greater number. While subtracting one number from another, we regroup to borrow ten thousands, thousands, hundreds, and tens, if needed, to get the difference. The larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted is called the minuend. The smaller number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. We use subtraction to find the difference, the left amount, or that remains. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Subtract 24,765 from 48,876. In subtraction, we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Now, we arrange the numbers properly one below the other as per the place value. Here, 48,876 is the minuend, 24,765 is the subtrahend, and whatever we get is the difference, that is 24,111. Let us also see a word problem. Out of 73,585 tickets, 14,355 tickets were sold to children. Calculate the number of tickets sold to adults. To get the number of tickets sold to the adults, we have to subtract 14,355 from 73,585. Again here, we arrange the numbers one below the other as per the place value. The difference that we get will be the number of tickets sold to the adults, that is 59,230. In this example, if you see, in subtraction, we need to borrow from the higher place value when the number is smaller to be subtracted. Also, to subtract in tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, we just count backward in tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s place respectively. Let us look at few examples here. 23,562 minus 10 is equal to 23,552. Here, if we observe, only the number in the tens place is changed. Same for the second and the third example. Minus 100 means the number in the hundreds place would change, and minus 1000 changes the number in the thousands place. Let us understand now what is estimation. Estimation is done when an exact value is not required. It also helps us to find the sum or the difference of large numbers quickly. Like in many practical calculations, only an approximation is required rather than an exact number. To do this, numbers are rounded off to a given place value. Also, the estimated value is not the exact value, instead, it is the closest value. To remember, to estimate, we use the same concept that we have learnt in rounding off. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Subtract the following using estimation. 5,673 minus 436. In such cases, here the greatest place is 5,673 is thousands, and in 436 the greatest place is hundreds. In such cases, we round off to the highest place of the smaller number. So here, let us round off both the numbers to the nearest hundreds. If you observe the example solved below, the actual number 5673 rounded off to 5700 and 436 is rounded off to 400. So the difference of actual and estimated is the actual difference is 5237 and the estimated difference is 5300. The same concept is used whenever we have to estimate a number. In case if both the numbers have the same highest place values, we round off the number to the highest place value. I hope everybody has understood subtraction and estimation. I also request everyone to solve the worksheets that have been uploaded regularly, which will also help you to solve the questions that would come up further. Till then, thank you and have a good day.